In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the HMA multi-basket grid. On my Exness account for months, and zounds, it's gridded its baskets to staggering gains with the panache of a parodic profit polymath. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that multi-baskets without the bust, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this HMA multi-basket grid virtuoso of volatility. The zip folder for the HMA multi-basket grid disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the HMA multi-basket grid to XAUUSD's M30 Proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might, a scandal sheet, and there the HMA multi-basket grid parades its plus 10,489.00% absolute gain escapade on Exness. Ballooning deposits into a solid balance with consistent profit after no withdrawals. Daily 1.53% chuckles, monthly 41.07% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for grid bots that chase institutional flows. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the HMA multi-basket grid's built-in trend following with Hull Moving Average HMA, multi-basket trading system, comprehensive grid risk management with customizable parameters, and martingale grid recovery for loss management that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net profit massive. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on XAUUSD without overtrading or revenge entries. Drawdowns only 18.83% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible? Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M30 entries. This month's analytics? Another clean bar showing steady profit with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy fireworks, but it's thriving quietly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers low-stress, consistent monthly gains on the most liquid pair, this HMA multi-basket grid is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the HMA multi-basket grid on MT4 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $1,872.02. Gross profit $17,070, edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate strong overall. Average trade positive with max drawdown low. Steady performance, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the HMA multi-basket grid has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting HMA multi-basket grid strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.